if you are good at this soft skills, sky is the limit for you. Hello everyone, I am Shalva Karve. I am a chartered accountant by profession and I am practicing since the year 2012. I am in such a field that soft skills are very much required in day to day practice. Few soft skills which I think number one and I feel it is of utmost importance, that is communication. So when I say communication, it means both oral as well as written communication. Right. So oral communication means what? So you should be able to communicate or you should be able to tell what you feel to the other person. अगर मुझे आपको एक चीज बतानी है and if I am not able to say that properly or you are not able to understand, so the communication is a failure if you are not able to understand what I want to say. So that is oral communication. One should work on oral communication if you want to succeed in business, grow in business, or even for that matter, start a business or job. राइट क्योंकि जॉब में स्टार्टिंग इज इंटरव्यू में अगर आपने कम्युनिकेट नहीं किया तो हाउ यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक दैट इंटरव्यू. दैट इज नंबर वन. नंबर टू, रिटर्न कम्युनिकेशन. For written communication, it is very important that you are well versed with English language. Why English? I will let you know in 2 minutes. Before English, of course, आपकी जो मदर टंग है हिंदी है और predominantly where you stay, जो language use हो रही है, you should be well versed in that language. Now coming to English, why English? Most of the written communication that is taking place in the entire world is in English. So automatically English language आपके लिए बहुत ही important है. In successful business होने के लिए आपको पूरे emails, whatever emails are there, official communications, whatever are there with the government, with the customers. In our field, we say income tax return. Income tax return is in Hindi and English. But most of the times, I have seen in 99.99% times, people are filing those in English. So that's why English is important. Second is positive attitude, which is very useful in our field because dealing with the government and dealing with the taxes thing, it is very difficult to stay positive, frankly. So आपको भी ये business में experience आया ही रहेगा that staying positive is difficult, but yes, that is a skill which you should develop. You have to stay positive whatever might be the situation around you, especially in these COVID times and everything. You have to stay positive. Third thing is problem solving. Believe me, that is also a soft skill. Many of you might not be knowing that, but problem solving is a soft skill. Not everyone has that. Yes, problem identification बहुत लोगों को आएगा, but वो कोई भी बताता है ना. See, I'm a practicing chartered accountant, so many of the clients they have a common complaint regarding other people. यार ये बस problem बताता है, solution कुछ नहीं. So to give solutions, you should have the skill of problem solving. So and if you give the solutions, then and only then the other person will be able to appreciate you. For example, आप डॉक्टर के पास गए that मेरे को बुखार है and doctor says yes आपको बुखार है and he doesn't prescribe medicines. What is the use of that diagnosis if he is not prescribing medicines? That is problem solving, which I am saying. Problem identification is different, solving is different. Solving is very important, identification is also important, but if you are good at problem solving, sky is the limit for you. So and one more thing, important thing is public speaking. सबको नहीं आता. Why this is important? Let me tell you. In corporates या फिर in your own practice, once you are there working, आपको conferences attend करने पड़ेंगे. Many a times आपको लेने पड़ेंगे conferences. You will be speaking to people in a group. से meeting वगैरह आपका चल रहा है. 15 to 20 persons are attending that meeting. So that is also public as such, right? 20 लोगों के सामने आपको खड़ा होके बात करना है. That is a difficult. When once you stand up, your legs start shivering. That is not a good sign. If you inculcate the soft skill of public speaking, that will definitely help you. Now, regarding public speaking, I will just share one small experience how that public speaking helped me in my practice. What I did for public speaking was I started teaching company secretary course के intermediate level के. I started teaching costing because I feel I was good at costing. Once I started teaching, I came to know that yes, communication is important. क्योंकि if I'm not able to communicate properly with my students, they will not be able to understand what I'm telling. If they won't be understanding what I'm teaching, of course marks तो कम ही आने वाले, and that is failure on my part, which is not acceptable. So what I did was I worked very hard on my communication, very hard on my teaching. Secondly, एक ही स्टूडेंट नहीं रहने वाला सामने, 20 to 25 स्टूडेंट्स वर देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, एंड आई कैन नॉट शिवर इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. ऑफ कोर्स दोज आर यंग पीपल. उनके सामने जस्ट इमेजिन करो ना, आपके सर लोग आपके सामने ऐसे पैर शिवर कर रहे हैं, इट विल नॉट लुक गुड. सो आई हैड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. And once I started teaching, once I gained confidence, coming back to my business side, I was able to communicate what are the problems, what are the problem solving techniques with my clients more efficiently, and that has helped in my business. So these are few things which I wanted to stress on soft skills, and how you can use the soft skills in your day to day job, business, or any other work which you are doing. Thank you.